overwhelmed by the complex demands of the food and beverage industry? Well, you're not alone. We understand how hard it can be to navigate USDA and FDA regulations, SQF certifications, plus organic, gluten-free, and vegan records. But if the stress of intense EDI requirements and managing brokers and commissions weighs heavy on your shoulders, there's a secret to lightening that load and making doing business with confidence a breeze, even with perishable goods at the core of it all. That's GoldFinch Cloud Solutions, the all-in-one ERP and CRM solution partner that gets it. Manual processes are labor-intensive. Data across organizations is too often fragmented, and siloed back-end systems that don't communicate with each other cause chaos for your team. GoldFinch ERP helps you address these issues and more, giving you a tool that lets you do it all. Streamline business management, effortlessly maintain store data from distributor sales records, execute flawless promotional campaigns, you name it. You can say goodbye to the headaches of managing recall events and scrap at the line and batch levels. With GoldFinch Cloud Solutions, production QA testing is easy, and labor tracking for simultaneous batch work orders is effortless. But wait, our solutions also extend to consignment, inventory management, lot expiration management, and refrigeration shipping concerns. And whether you want to go further by integrating with Shopify and WooCommerce, or have a niche use case you want to address, like managing break bulk shipments, GoldFinch Cloud Solutions has got you covered. Are you ready to finally leave the compliance headaches and the mess of paper trails and Excel spreadsheets behind? Get in touch today and experience the GoldFinch Cloud Solutions difference firsthand. GoldFinch Cloud Solutions. Your success is our success.